Hello. Hi guys. My network. I switch on ano na, circular that one. Circular. What? How to pronounce it? Cellular. Let's just see. The Wi-Fi is so weak now. Sa bawat minuto. Yeah. What's will you gonna cook? Can I have that? Are you that? What will you gonna cook, Mr. Marty? Hi, CK. What food will you gonna cook? Is that rice or ano? Yeah. Sorry. So malikot. I broke my phone again. I'm gonna send it to you. I need to fix this in maybe this end of the October. Chicken with the scallop. Oh, that's so high protein. I need those. Scallop potatoes. That's too delicious. So delicious. Hi everyone. I have 11. Well, eat together. Yeah. I don't have the. Yes. Maybe later. I have 113 viewers. Hello, ID number. Hello po.
Domingo?
J-Jim. Hello.
Sabi mo Domingo?
Yeah. Hi, Jean. Hello. Hello, everyone. I'm gonna fix this. I have 116. Darren Wood. Hello. Why are you coming to my live, guys? 120. Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. Oh, why are you here, guys? Olayemi Tandy. Hello. Where's my another candy? Here it is. You look so beautiful as always. Thank you. Thank you. Olayemi. Hello po. Welcome to my live, everyone. I'm not doing yet, guys. I'm not doing anything. Not yet. I'm not yet. I'm not doing anything yet. I'm not doing like sexy dance like that. Oh, hello from America. Hi, everyone. What should I gonna?
Hi guys, Dudut here.
Where are you located? Why should I need to answer that? Not yet. Yeah. Big. Big word. Big word. Like, why should I need to say my location?
Mama.
What do you want? Do you want to buy You want to wait? Dali mo, let's go. Mabili ka patata. Thank you. Hi guys. Try to use filter. I'll try to. It's like so OA. This one. I have butterfly all over me.